Dragon fruit has high water content and low in calories. It's also rich in vitamin C and iron. It tastes somewhat like kiwi. So today I've made a milkshake using just 4 ingredients. In a blender, peel and chop the dragon fruit. Add 1.5 cup of milk. Two tablespoons honey, and blend this together. Crush some almonds and cashews. Pour the milkshake in a glass or a jar. And garnish with some crushed nuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.